Yeah, Basha, you're asking something, right?
Yeah, Eclipse something HANA Studio like Eclipse also same HANA.
Yeah, we have one is Eclipse, one tool is Eclipse, another is HANA Studio. Okay. So HANA Studio generally it is copied from Eclipse only. Okay, so generally Eclipse is not only for SAP, it is not a SAP application. Okay, this is for global purpose like a Java, .NET, like other different systems. Okay, different applications purpose they design this one. Okay, Eclipse one. So then still we can use for SAP purpose also. So what our SAP team done, we can copy, they copied from the system to they copied from Eclipse to HANA Studio. They designed this one. Okay. Then, but still, problem is what happens at here. We are not able to use 100%. HANA Studio is not supporting compared to Eclipse. It is not that much. So because of that, still we are using the Eclipse.
Okay,
Okay. So this is the Eclipse. Okay. So whatever we created in HANA Studio, still we are able to see this is our package, right? So this, if you notice it here, this is the Eclipse. Okay. And when it is come to the HANA Studio, I open HANA Studio as well at here. Okay. So this is HANA Studio. So from here also you can connect. So both
okay,
it is same only, but HANA Studio few things is not supporting. Okay. That's the reason we are still going to Eclipse 2. Okay, so that is the major part. Okay, now let's go to, okay, in your login, actually this is not working. Okay, from HANA Studio, I'm not able to see your packages and all. So when it is come to the Eclipse, I can able to see. So these people who is providing the system, right? So they're not properly done this part. So because of that, not able to view in HANA Studio level. Okay. Anyway, let's go to our today concept. Okay. Okay. So I would like to show to this one tools. Okay. Introduce these tools and all. Okay. So like in HANA system, in Eclipse. Okay. So we have these are all features like navigating features to open perspective. Okay. So these are let me go or else first let me one by one I will come. Uh, let execute this preview. Okay, data. And let me execute one more win.
నాకు నేను ఎక్కువ అసలు మళ్ళీ కింద ఫిక్స్ కి పెట్టావా?
Okay, so now there is a two data. Okay, so one is joins concept, another one is union. Okay, so I want to compare these two. Okay, let me go to the data. Okay, so this data parallelly I would like to see. Okay, miss side by side or top bottom to bottom up. If you drag and drop it here, then I can able to see side by side. Okay, so this is the inner join concept. Around 70 rows we got it. Then it is like union joins. Okay, union all. 121 records we got it. So you want to compare like this both. Okay, then what happens generally we need to click one by one window, then we need to check. But you want to see parallelly. Okay, then we can drag that window to right side. Okay, down little bit down, then it parallelly we are able to see. You want to see at bottom level, then you can drag to bottom level, then you can see at bottom level. Okay, so let's drag it up. where it went. Yeah, here it is there. Okay, just either it is side by side or top to bottom. So however you're required, then you can drag and drop, then it comes in such a way. You want to go to normal way, then you can drag to top. Okay, so drag to here. Okay, then it comes to like a previous how it is. Okay, so this is one of the features. Okay, we have, and yeah, now I would like to go for the okay templates. Okay, but suppose let me go to our system, the system 02. Next, paste. Already existed this folder. Okay. Then- Okay, let me go to ABAP perspective. Studio. Okay, so I would like to create a project already there. Okay, let me check. Okay, then click on next. So client is 100 and user is access 33. Let me check access. Oh no, this is simple 33 and access at the rate 77. Let me check. No. Okay. Hmm, okay. Access 99. Let me try with this. No. Problem is they set here. Hmm, okay, let me try. But okay, let me connect to other system because this system is I need credentials for log on SAP system. So this is not supporting. Let me go for another Subrat system. 3677. Okay, but here Eclipse won't work. Anyway, let's go to HANA Studio. We can use this. Okay. Okay, so yesterday we go to ABAP perspective. Okay, let's go to and here password is 36 access 36. So yesterday we created a class and interface. Okay, so but here problem is I can't able to see those are all. Let me see in other logins. So this is question mark. Question mark means it is not running and zero is there. Zero. Okay, anyway, we have it here, right? So, but we can't able to display no problem. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me create a one. Let better I will create for it here. Some program. Okay, from here we can create a program. Zip packages we created. Think MNP. I think I given not HD. Yeah, this is the one which we created. Give the program name. So simple program something. Description. Then we can click on choose our TR. Subrat, do you have any updates on this issue? Uh, Yesterday you sent, right? So Eclipse one and
Yes, till now I didn't get. Now also I pinged her. She's
oh,
saying that just now I came to office, so I'll check.
okay, 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 fine, no worry. Okay, so here I'm just writing the query. Okay, so it's very simple code like select star from uh, sales data, then VBAP into table. Okay, so just doing the inline declaration. So today or tomorrow we'll cover this part inline declarations also, like not only inline declarations like a new syntax. Okay, up to okay 100 rows I'm just taking, and then I want to okay, yeah, no rows. Okay, so then I want to display the output. Okay, what I will do generally, uh, we use the loops statement, right? So loop it VBAP into ls. Okay, let me declare the inline declaration. So this is the inline declarations like to create a work area. Okay, so VBAP. Generally, internal tables we create, right? So data LT underscore VBAP type table of VBAP. So okay, so this is the generally we declare the internal table and work area ls underscore VBAP type VBAP. Okay, let me remove this. I will come inline declaration again. I don't want to create confusion of knowledge. So I will okay now loop and loop and then write statement to print the output purpose. Okay, so ls underscore VBAP hyphen VBELN. Okay, comma then Postner, then material, then quantity, then net amount, and it is WR. Okay, so this much data I want to print at output level. Okay, save, check, and activate and execute. Okay, so this is the normal way, correct? So let me if it. Then I got the data it displayed around first 100 records. Okay, at output level. Okay, so for suppose you want a template. Okay, so generally this type of loop statement, if it is repeated, okay, multiple times, multiple places we required, okay, then you want to prepare a one template with this format. Okay, in such a cases, we can do prepare ourselves. Okay, so there is a Windows. Go to the Windows. Okay, and yeah, preference. Just click on preference. Okay, so then we can use a web like okay, give me a minute. Connecting to okay, so just a web development. Okay, so here editor. So here we have a like keywords, like whatever keywords we require. So those are all we can available. So if we require to go for the colors, okay, specific color, we are getting keywords, especially blue color, right? So if we go to our program, okay, so here report in blue color, data is in blue color. Okay, Celestar is in blue color. Okay, so like that. So you want to highlight some key fields, keywords. Okay, then you can select this. Okay, so especially continue, then you can enable this color. Okay, exit command, then you can use this color. Okay, so like that. Okay, so if you want specific colors and all, then you can enable the check boxes. Then we can use. You want to prepare some template. Okay, case. Okay, and case. Okay, so for suppose here we have a case. Whenever we type the case, then what happens? It will get like a end case and automate. When we use the tab button, then we'll get automatically the template, right? So let me close again. But suppose if I use case, okay, sorry. Okay, generally in GUI level, when we type just case like this, then we'll get an option to when we use the tab button, then we'll automatically will get the when statements and then end case. Okay, so this type of template will get it automatically. Okay, so if you want like that, okay, even loop, okay, so then we can create ourselves this okay, so that type of template. So already existed one with the case, okay, catch, okay, so all these are all if condition. So this is for if condition. Okay, you want to use the try catch, okay, then case. Okay, so this is the one template. Okay, so these templates will populate automatically. If else, then if else condition. If it is if, then if and end if. Okay, so these are all predefined templates. Okay, still you want to, there is no loop. I think loop statement is not there. Okay, you want to create a loop. Okay, then you can go for the new. So here we can give the keyword. Okay, for loop purpose, I'm just using the loop. Okay, then I can say loop statement, some description, and what is that loop? Okay, loop at, for suppose in the I tab into work area. Okay, so tab or else work area like this we can keep it, and then end loop. Okay, so now this is my template for loop. Okay, then I can say insert, apply. Okay, then I can click apply and close. Or okay, I'm just so now whenever I type the loop, okay, then I get the cursor at here, not group. Actually, that is not coming, but generally it should come. Whenever I type a loop, then it should be get that template. Okay, so when I use the tab button, then automatically it will populate it here. Okay, but I'm not sure why these tools are not. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, these tools are not working properly. Okay, not sure, but let's try. So whenever we use like this, we'll get below black color, right? So similar way, when I use the tab button, then it should come automatically. Okay, so but group it is coming. No, let me
Can
go
you
one
write
more.
loop part then IT?
Right, no, it is not coming. Actually, loop at after that itself, it should come. IT automatically. So let me go one more time. So this is our loop statement. So loop at no, this is another one which is predefined one, and this is ours. Okay, even these things also not coming. Existed one also not coming. Let me try with the if condition. See, not coming. Hmm. No, I think tool have some issue. Okay, or else in your case Eclipse is not work, right? What should I do? Okay, basically, okay, once it is settled, we'll try that part. But any templates if you want to prepare from your end, okay, so this type of predefined things and all, then we can use, okay, go for the new and then we can create it. Okay, so this is the procedure to create it. Okay, yeah, in case if it is a CDS views, then there, if you want to populate predefined templates and all, then so in CDS we will get it. All these are all defined table functions. Okay, so anyway, we'll see that and all. So graphical it is and all not required. Like you want the sounds and all. Okay, in such a cases we can choose this. Not sounds. This is especially for the colors level. When we get messages, right? So and this is barcode especially. It's okay. Let me go. Okay, so then there is a short case like you want to open object, okay, a web system. So then generally Control Shift and A. Okay, so from here we can choose the like object list we have, object directory. Okay, so from this we can select it, but not sure why it is uh, still have a some issue. Okay, and for checking errors and all, we have a control. Okay, F2. Control S is the same. Control F2 is for check address. Control F3 is for activate. Okay, so here also we have a same functionalities. Okay, so this is check and this is the activate. Okay, and you want to open like control 6. Okay, you want to open the SAP GUI. Okay, then we can choose from here the system, which system we want to connect. So here there is multiple, but all are same only, but it is not reflecting. So people who are connected, so that time with one, two, multiple times they connected, because of that it is coming. Okay, so then we can browse, then we can connect. You want to connect this system. Now SAP system got open. Okay, either this way, control 6 we can go, or else there is a one more option at here. So this is the one. Okay, from here also you can open the SAP GUI. Okay, so next is like, for suppose we have a class, but those classes are not open set here, right? Okay, let me go. No, class name is HT. Okay, let me open it here. Uh, SA24 class name HT underscore sale display. Okay, so this is my class. For suppose I want to see like I want to jump to this like a interface. Okay, control O is the one. Okay, so see like a hierarchy which is like a which I'm using that interface. So that interface it came. Okay, so control O, okay, it goes to detail level. Okay, so in this class we have a this method. Okay, inside of this, this is the like a interface method. Okay, inside of this there is another method as well. Okay, this is the attribute. Okay, let me go. Yeah. So this is the method. Okay, this is the interface name, and inside of this interface, we have a this is the method name. Okay, so like that, you want to navigate from our class. Okay, okay, you want to navigate from the class to that interface. Okay, so or well, just for back. Okay, so previous one objects or methods you want to navigate, then we can use. Okay, control O is the one step level. Okay, so this is one step. Okay, for suppose you want to like a detail in the interface level, control double O. Okay, so this is the two things we have, like if you want to go for detail level or you want to one hierarchy level. Okay, so here also you can able to see like control O to hide the inheriting members and all. Okay, okay, so there is another one, hierarchy purpose, control T. Okay, so yeah, okay, control T, it is loading. Okay, so this is my class, and inside of that class, okay, so this is means if I go for the nested class and all, okay, then I can able to see that hierarchy. So list of objects under that class, okay, multiple methods. Okay, as of now there is only one method, right? So that two direct method not there, interface I'm using. Okay, so because of that only class name it is showing. Okay, let me do one thing, method. Okay, get item something. I'm just giving get here. Okay, and for here also let me give the import parameter im underscore vbeln type vbeln underscore va, and the export or change exporting something export underscore vbap type. Okay, so we can give the table type name tab underscore vbap. Okay, then full stop. What is this error? Table type is not there. Yeah, missing implementation. Okay, yeah, give a minute. Last 1 minute, please join again. Once it is disconnected, then we can continue.